Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. As you can see behind me, we're at the Fieldays, which is the Southern Hemisphere's largest agricultural event. What it is a cutting edge new technology and innovations that are in the agriculture industry. So what we're going to do today is go inside, have a look around, and also go check out our store and meet the boys. Follow me and we'll go have a look. One of the perks at the Fieldays, guys, is lots of competitions you can enter. Look at this behind us, a nice Isuzu D-Max. I think what you got to do, chuck one of your bands in at the end and you'll register yourself for one of the cars. Follow me through and I'll show you how to get to our stall. When we get down here, follow the chute and you'll be on our way to the pavilion. As you can see, guys, lots of people here already, lots of stalls to check out. So like I said earlier, get here nice and early so you can check out everyone. Alright guys, we've found where we're actually located. So behind me we've got the main pavilion. All you need to do is just head through those doors. We're pretty hard to miss, but follow me and we'll show you anyway. Hey guys, as you can see behind me we've got our classic portal frame structure and our exhibition. So come down, find us. We've got brand new banners. Come have a look at all the sheds that we've been building recently, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel at the front so you can see my pretty face and Jason walking around and seeing all the cool sheds that we actually build. So I get one of these. Oh, surely I can get one, eh? Woo! One backwards for good luck.
So with this one, all you have to do is...
Oh! Hey. Yes, please. Smooth and creamy would be nice.
Help yourself to milk and sugar.
Thanks heaps. Gotta get the sugar, ain't sweet enough. Looks like there's a bit of a competition going on behind us, guys. Building some fences. Which team can do it fastest, I guess. Definitely does that a bit quicker than I could do, you know. Wouldn't want to be digging holes when you can do it with electric. Just eating through the ground. Alright guys, you know at Waikato Sheds, we love having a barbecue. I reckon we come inside, have a look at some of these. Maybe Dan will convince him to buy one and we'll have a nice fry up at our work. Come inside. As you may be aware, we already entered a barbecue cooking competition. Dan, he's actually quite a really talented barbecue cook. So he actually won some of the ones in Ngāti at the local competition. Jason actually entered the chili eating competition, ended up having to go to the nationals and compete in that. Well done, man. Awesome work. But yeah, who doesn't love a barbecue? Out the front of your shed, cooking some snags, having a few beers. Easy as. Fieldays is for everyone, guys. Not just the adults, it's for the kids as well. Found a cool little model toy shop. A lot of our sheds have cool classic cars in them. Found quite a few up here. What I reckon though is we still need to get Brian one of these. A Waikato Sheds old school ute. Imagine how cool that would be. We're working on it. John Deere, as you know, trusty brand. You'll probably see quite a few of them out here at the Fieldays and also on farms. But yeah, nice lawnmower here. Big old John Deere harvester here. Most of the time in New Zealand, this is used on maize, and you're looking at about 1.2 million for this bad boy. But what I'm getting at here is, don't worry about the size. If you need somewhere to home it, we can build a shed for you, fit for purpose. Look after this bad boy. You don't want to get it ruined out in the weather. It's a pretty serious piece of kit we got up here. I definitely could see myself being a farmer and driving one of these. Got a bit of aircon in here, keep you warm. Sound system, what more could you ask for? Alright guys, we're just down at the tractor pool. Something interesting. Looks like the local farmers come down, test out their tractors, maybe give each other a bit of a race. We'll have a see what's going on. Come have a seat if you've got your legs a bit tired. Watch a bit of the tractors in action. Alright guys, I was talking about innovation. This is actually a remote controlled slope mower. Something pretty cool. Good to see other shed companies here as well. These ones look a little bit different to ours. I reckon we go inside, have a look and see what they got to offer. I've just had a little talk to the guys in here. These guys are all wooden framed structured sheds, so they're a little bit smaller than what we do as well. Alright guys, down here at Porter Hire Group. They're just down the road from one of our awesome suppliers, Mulecraft Roofing. Pretty hard to miss these guys. How cool is this, guys? Electric digger. What you might see this being used on for your shed is a little bit of the earthwork stage of your shed. So they come in, maybe dig out some of the ground, and then maybe jump on one of these things next to me, a roller, smooth it all out, ready for the boxing and the concrete to be done. But yeah, how cool is the innovation? Electric digger. I was at the quarterfinal last week, guys, semi-final this week. I reckon the boys are making it all the way to the final in the Waikato. One of the best teams we have, you know. All right, guys, about to head into the home and living section of the Fieldays. I know we also supply habitable sheds as well, so if you want to kit out the inside, come in here, have a look at what they have to offer. Good, what do you got here?
We've got candle cocktails.
Yep.
So these are got all your alcohol already in them,
Yep.
ready to go all fruit juices.
It's pretty good, eh? Yeah, thank you.
No worries.
That's actually really tasty. Award winning, can definitely taste it. It's beautiful, come down and try it out. I definitely recommend grabbing a bottle while you're here too. Can I try some of the honey?
Yeah, grab a stick, help yourself.
Oh yeah, quite nice, quite sweet.
Yeah.
Like I said, guys, anything can be kept in sheds. You might have seen one of our YouTube video with all the bees there. I bet you he produces honey just like these guys. Tasty as, love it. All right, guys, I found Mike down at the Fieldays, hey. Jason's son. We're just going to pop into Stoney Creek behind us. Obviously, coming into winter, you want to keep nice and warm out there on site. So let's go see if we can find the builders anything to wear.
Sweet. Oh, ready for sight.
You know, guys, we're all about that health and safety at Waikato Sheds. So high vis, very important. Make sure you're seen on site. Maybe we get the boys one of these, nice and coated and warm.
All right, so who's going first?
Yeah.
All right, come on round.
All right, guys, just about to do a challenge down at the Fieldays. Let's see who wins, me or Mike. You never know.
Let's go.
How many can I pick in 20 seconds?
3, 2, 1, go. No, whack it, whack it, whack it, whack it. 10 seconds.
Not bad, not
19,
bad.
19, can I beat it?
That's the 19 beat. All the top score overall is 30. You reckon you can do
30. Have to see.
2, 1, go.
Go, Mike. Go, Mike.
23.
23.
Oh,
Just.
nice
Good game.
work, mate. Yeah. He's going to pick up the little...
Oh, too delicate. Check it out. Oh.
He's going to give it to one of the kids.
Oh. You don't want to reach your hand out? Maybe you could get it, Sean?
Yeah. Alright guys, as you know, every single shed usually has a big water tank with it, collect the storm water as well. I actually found something really cool last year at the Fieldays that I want to show you. Just something a bit different. Most of the times you see these big circle ones, 25,000 litres is usually what we have, but over here there's actually something really cool. Imagine something like this, make it into a feature wall, anything you want. I don't know how big they go, maybe check out their website and obviously get a bit more information. Alright guys, now this is what we're after, the Makita shop. So I know Mike's been on site a couple of times with the boys recently, you know, looking at power tools. I reckon we'll go have a look inside and see maybe what we can find.
Yeah, let's go.
Got a pretty impressive like outfit here, eh?
Yeah, no, definitely. Like they're going hard.
Look how crazy times are getting, guys. Obviously, smoko time. You want to heat something up for the lunch. Makita's got their own microwave now. How good? Hey guys, we're down at Holter here. I was talking about innovation of technology a little bit earlier. These guys do fenceless farming. If you guys want more time to start thinking about your shed and everything, I know you farmers out there need some sheds, so come in here, get some collars on your cows, more time to think about what you want in your shed and you're good to go. Time for a bit of a nap, guys. You know, it's been a long day at the Fieldays. Just down here, adjust the beds. Oh, I know these ones give you a bit of a massage and you can do whatever you want on them, but yeah, time for a bit of a nap.
Awesome guys, Sean, Mike, welcome back. You had some fun at the Fieldays?
Yeah, as you can see, we visited a lot of sites out there, guys. There's lots to see. Definitely come down and check everything out. But as you can see, we're in front of the Waikato Sheds one. What do you reckon?
It's been awesome. We've been on the screen here. We're on your screen there. Dan's been working hard, chatting to clients. Bronick's off getting lunch. He's got to feed that tank. But it's been awesome. We're here Thursday, Friday, Saturday if you're still coming down. But otherwise, like it, and comment. What did you enjoy the most? Was it Sean, Mike, and what did they get up to? Awesome, guys. Have a great one.
See you next time.